Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. This video is sponsored by Garvee. Today, we're going to unbox and assemble one of their raised beds. We're going to use this raised bed as a dedicated flower bed for my wife, Tanya. Let's get started. So this is the box that it came in. We're going to go ahead and open everything up and see what we have. So out of the box, this is what we have. You have all of your pieces necessary to assemble it. You have your hardware here. You have your directions here. And you have your liner here. And you have something to hold your your tools on outside here. So we're going to go ahead and assemble this through time lapse and come back when we're done. We are making progress and we're just about to the finish line. We have to go ahead and install the side panels. So we're going we are getting ready to put the edging or the frame around the top of it. And I'm going to show you how we're doing that. So we have a couple short pieces like this with grooves in them, and the longer pieces like this slide into them. And we just line up the holes and screw them in. So we're going to go ahead and finish doing that and then come back. And just like that, we have finished putting it together. I really want to thank you for coming along with me while we put this together. A shout out and appreciation to Garvee for sending this out to me. I am appreciative, and I know my wife will be. My last raised bed that I had for her that was supposed to be for flowers actually now has onions growing in it. And she's been getting after me to plant flowers. So I have a whole bunch of flowers, pollinating flowers at that I'm ready to start from seed, and hopefully this will take off. If you're interested in purchasing one of these, I'll leave the link and discount code for Garvee in the description portion of the video, as well as the comment section. Leave me a comment. What do you think? Is it this something that you guys will make use of? I know I definitely am. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment and I will reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends are going to also, so it's okay to share. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.